Hi everyone, my name is Odam Cosmos, the founder of Website School and also Sir Cosmos World. This is me here on the screen as you can see. And today I'll be showing you how to install any plugin on your WordPress website. And after watching this video to the end, you'll be able to install any plugin on your website quickly. But before we do that, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. Now this is our website. As you can see, it's still new, and we would like to install a plugin where which will enable us to have slider here. All you need to do is to go to log into your back end and click on plugins. Now here you can see the plugin we've already installed on this website. We have the contact form 7, we have Elementor, Google Analytics, and so on and so forth. To be able to add a new plugin or to install a new plugin, all you need to do is to click add new, and then it brings us to this page. Here you see various plugins which you'll be able to use in your website. All you need to do is to come to this search bar here and type in the name of the plugin you like to install. I'll be typing in Smart Slider 3, and then let's click search. So this is Smart Slider 3. As you can see, you see the rating and also 700,000 active installation. It was updated 3 weeks ago. So simply click on install now and wait for it to get installed, and then you activate. So once this plugin is activated in your website, as you can see from the left hand side of our back end, you see the word Smart Slider. It has successfully been installed. Now let's go to installed and see if this plugin is also there. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now. Now scroll down, you would see the Smart Slider 3, which we've what installed. So basically this is how you can install any plugin in your website in no difficult time. For watching, please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video.